In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mockups in Affinity by Canva. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do is, inside Affinity, go to Edit up top, and then click on Settings down at the bottom, go into General, scroll down a bit, and in here, it's going to say Import PSD Smart Objects where possible. Now, a lot of these mockups you can find online and then get them onto your computer. You can actually import them as PSD files into Affinity as well, because most of them will be in a PSD format. And when you enable this, it's going to allow you to actually convert these into smart objects, which will make everything much easier. So just make sure this is toggled on, and whenever you do that, you can just drag and drop your PSD files in here, and then there you'll have your mockup. So as you can see, this is now I have just a book wrap packaging mockup over here. And if you want to change anything, so let's say you want to change a specific part, as you can see, I have different layers over here, and the main part I want to change is this cover over here. So it now says book wrap packaging, but I want my logo to be on there. You can just find it in here, double click on that specific layer. It's going to open up in a separate tab here, and you can just put over your own design. So I have my logo for my YouTube channel over here. Just bear with me. I know this may not look the best, but it's going to do for now. So if I just put like this, there we go. I'm going to just basically cover it over to show you how this is done. There we go. Let me pull it down. Okay, that's cool. Let's say I want to go back to this tab. And as you can see, this has now been replaced, and I've basically created a mockup. Okay, so that's by far the easiest way to do this. And of course, you could go ahead and modify this. You could do whatever you wanted on here. You could even like cut parts. You could put on your own designs, whatever. And if you basically are not happy, you can just delete it, and it's going to go back to its normal form, and you can go ahead and play with it again. So that's the easiest way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.